Hello there traders, and today's video I'm going to teach you about money management. In Forex trading, you must have a money management concept, alright? So one of the way we're going to teach you about every trade that you have in Forex trading is parallel trading. I want to teach you this video about parallel trading, which is a part of money management, that how to handle every trade and risk of your trading. All right, so if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, make sure to subscribe this channel. Is because we have so much videos that we deliver every 2 weeks, and this is free tutorial that you can learn up freely. All right, so make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you will have most of the videos that we give you free, and a strategy of the market that we share that to this channel. So go with me in my PC later on, and we will go through how this parallel trading works. All right, okay guys, so money management, the most important thing in Forex trading and your trading is you must know the money management. So one of the way that money management is, okay, a lot of ways of money management that you can learn on. So one of the way I will teach you today is parallel trading. Right, so whether you are on buy sell or buy mode or you are on sell mode, so you must have this one of the way parallel trading works. Right, so we're gonna share with you that how is this parallel trading in your trade that we're gonna share to you. Right, so next, advantage of this parallel trading. So the way and advantage of this parallel trading, I will share it to you, the three advantages. So this is good for scalping or swing trade. So whenever you are scalping, means you are catching smaller profits, right, smaller pips, or you can have a trade like maybe 3 days or 4 days, that's a swing trade, right, or in a week. So this is another way that you can leave that particular trade after that is already earned. Right, okay. So number two, you're able to secure the profit once the trade in a positive mode. All right, so the moment that you already profiting, so we will take one of that profit and then make sure that you save that particular profit and then leave another one for further earnings. Right, so there's the advantage, the second advantage. So number three is you have a potential higher profit it will be made on your trade. So go on with me, I will teach you later on my MT4. Right, I will teach you that. So the strategy, so we'll talk about the strategy. So how is the strategy works in this parallel trading? Right, so first you got to open 2 orders at a time in one currency pair. Right, so that means that if you're choosing maybe USD Canada or your USD, it doesn't matter whether you are on buy mode or you are on sell mode, it doesn't matter. You will be opening 2 at a time, 2 entries based on your lot size, and then 2 entries and then at a time, and then one currency pairs. Let's say you decided that you will be opening 1 lot at this particular trade, and then that is 2% losses from your SL. Right, so what I do now is that 1 lot we will be make it half, 0.5 and another 0.5, and open up simultaneously together in one pair. Right, so that is one of the strategies. Okay, so first strategy. So number 2 strategy, once it profit that particular trade, the two trades whereby all is in buy and then you take it half and half. So the moment it profit about 50% of your TP, means let's say your TP is about 50 pips, right, 25 pips. The moment it reaches 25 pips, what you're gonna do now is close that one of the trade which is earning 25 pips and leave another trade so that it will profit more. And what you're gonna do is adjust that SL from the for the portion from the point of the price that you are opening that trade. Right, so which means that you are 0 losses now. Right, the moment the market will reverse and then you will have any losses, you are earning on the first half of your trade. Right, so another trade is you just leave it and then leave it for further capture more profits. Right, I'm gonna share with you that in my MT4 how it works. Right, so go with me. Okay guys, already in my screen. So let's say you decided that we will use a pin bar strategy to enter the market, right? So if you don't know what is a pin bar strategy trading, so we have another video that we will share to you how to use that particular strategy, pin bar strategy. So based on the market, there is a pin bar here that we will determine that the market is possible the downtrend. So you can see this is a pin bar. This is a euro US dollar currency pair, right? And then the market is going down, up, and come back again, and there's another pin bar confirmation that the market possible will be downtrend because of another pin bar confirmation that the market is. So just imagine that this one not yet here yet, right? So now you decide that the market possible that there is a downtrend in the market, right? Possible that the market will keep going down further, right? So now you decide that this is the entry that you are possible to enter using our parallel trading, right? Let's say now you decided that parallel trading, I will be using this particular trade that since I decided will be one lot, right? So this is one lot is okay. This, let's say for example that you want to enter one lot. One lot means in 1 pips is equivalent to 10 US dollars, right? So that's how it works, right? So one lot for this pair, right? So you enter. So how you enter? You're using a parallel trading. So this one lot we divide it by 2, right? So that means you will be entering to entry with 0.5 and 0.5, right? So this means equivalent to one lot, right? So we will be enter 2 trades with 0.5 and 0.5 lots in the same place, right? So how you enter that, right? So how you enter that, you go right click here and then new order, then select your symbol here, your currency pair, and then choose 0.5 and 0.5 since you decided that one lot, right? And then if that is the price that currently is you want to enter, so you can use market execution, or if not yet you can use buy orders, right? Or pending orders, right? Okay, now come back here. Let's say now you are decided that is one lot, right? So this is this particular price here, right? So what we're gonna do is you open 2 trade at the same time with sell order, right? Okay, so this is the sell order. Okay, so your TP, maybe if you decide is about this particular one lot is about 2% from your capital inside is about 2%. So let's say about maybe about 25 pips here. So you decided 25 pips is your SL, right? So just imagine that you have a SL of your sell here 25 pips and your TP here may be about 50, right? So 50 pips, right? So you have entered two trades at this portion here, sell order, right? So let's say the market it goes to your way, right? So the market it keeps going down and going down and going down, right? After 25 pips here, let's say the market touch at this point here, since your TP here is at 50 pips, right? So after 50% of that trade, okay, 50% of your TP, this is up to you, but my suggestion will be maybe 50%. 50% of the TP is about 25 pips here. So you already hit 25 pips. Okay, so the moment you hit 25 pips, 50% of your TP here, you close one of the order, right? So bear in mind, close this one of the order here, all right? Just close this one of the order, and then after that you already profit about 50%, right? About 50% of your trade. So you already profiting. After you profit this particular order here, you still have left 0.5, another order, right? So the means another order you left it, okay? So since this particular trade you already profiting another order about 25 pips, so another order you'll just leave it here, and then to capture further the market where it moves, alright? So the moment that the market reverse it doesn't matter because you already profiting. Okay, one more thing is this particular SL here, the moment that you already close this and already wait for another trade that left over, you have to change this to the price over here. So means about below 2 pips from the enter trade of these trades, right? So that's how it works. Okay, the moment you change that, so you have 0 losses now. Okay, you have 0 loss on the market, right? So that's the good thing of this particular strategy, parallel strategy. So I hope you learn it, and make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you will have more videos to come. This channel will teach you more on strategy and investment. So you can use this strategy either in cryptocurrencies and forex, alright? So any types of platform. So we have another videos from this channel that you can learn, watch it, and then share it, right? Thanks a lot, and God bless in your trading.